A lot of times when we deal with volume, we have to think about different situations. They're not just going to be simply multiplying the length, the width, and the height together, but we might have to use that information, use that formula to figure it out. So we're going to look at a quick one here, and then you are going to try to solve a few of these problems the best you know. So it says I have to build a box for my scouting project with a volume of 36 centimeters or cubed. That means the volume has to be 36 centimeters cubed. So that's how much space it needs to take up. We know a couple of things. We know that the base of the box is 6 centimeters long, and it's 6 centimeters long and 2 centimeters wide. So our question is, how high do we build that box? That is our question right there. That's what we're trying to solve. So I kind of have this box here. I think about it. I know two of my measurements. I know that it's 6 long, it's 2 wide. Well, I know my formula for finding volume is length times width, which we know, times height. So right now, we know the length is 6. We know, and that's going to equal volume. We know the width is 2, and we don't know the height, but we do know that 36 is our volume. So there's a number of ways that we could attack this problem. One way would be to simply do the first multiplying and then divide by 36. So I know that 6 times 2 is 12. All right. So now I know 12 times something, which is our height, is going to get me 36. All right. So we work backwards because that's how division works. So 36 divided by 12 I could think of, or I could think of 12 times what, if you can visualize that in your brain. Well, 36 divided by 12 is 3. So that tells me my height should be 3 centimeters. Now it's just centimeters because it's one single measurement. It's not centimeters cubed because that would be the volume. That would be when we take all 3. But this is just from the bottom to the top. It is the height of the box. It would be 3 centimeters. Okay, so you're going to have to answer a few questions and show your work. I'm going to give you 3 questions. You have to show your work, kind of like I did here, so that we really can grasp that you understand these volume problems. All right, good luck.